How to recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section of Facebook. Now, tap on the settings and privacy, tap on the settings, then tap on the account center at the top. Inside Account Center, scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permission. Then tap on the Download Your Information. Then tap on the Download or Transfer again. Then tap on Specific Type of Information option available there. Now, from the long list of options available, scroll down and tap on the Messages option available there. Then tap on the Download to Device. Now tap on the Create Files and it will start creating the files to download it to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.